Meet Mr. Hugh, lives in Covina. Few days ago, his MacBook Pro experienced sudden screen damage. He became upset and looking for the best way to quick fix the cracked screen MacBook. Meanwhile, one of his friends, Ron, suggested him to contact iTech Xpress. Ron said that it is an authorized and certified Apple product repair service store in Covina, famous for offering factory-grade solutions for damaged MacBook Pro. They always try to repair the broken device within the same day at affordable prices. They have a great stock of genuine spare parts to make the MacBook screen replacement process faster than usual. Scrolling down the internet and after checking out their previous customer reviews, he immediately visited there and got his MacBook screen repaired in proper working condition. If you are looking for the same, then schedule an appointment with their technicians by dialing 626-777-4747. If you have any further query, then browse through https://ichexpressinc.com/.